Florida and we're going to the Holy Schnitzel. Lucy is Rendezvous Bakery and Cousin. Nicht das gehen wir, die haben wir Holy Schnitzel. Holy Schnitzel.
Well, who's talking here? Is somebody else in the car? I think. Hello?
Hello?
Someone's talking. Who's this?
Holy Schnitzel.
It's Holy Schnitzel!
Yeah, we're going to Holy Schnitzel!
We're coming to you. Welcome to Holy Schnitzel. Make sure you ask them if it's fresh, the schnitzel. Is the schnitzel fresh here? Very fresh? Because usually if something that's holy, it's not very fresh. Because it's like, it's holy is going back thousands of years.
Sean, what do we have? I zeg niet.
Who said those chicken fingers? What is this? Is that fingers of a chicken?
No.
Excuse me, you know if they're chicken fingers or the fingers of a chicken? Or what is the chicken fingers?
It's
chicken breast.
He
said the chicken... No, he said it's a chicken breast.
Oh, this is a
breast
brisket.
of it.
Finger chicken. Let me what you want. Put your lettuce. You can make whatever lettuce you want. What's your recommendation? This one? The holy okay, we take the holy toast.
Yes, we take the holy toast.
A toast in a pan. Figa shaped, okay. Holy toasty.
Holy toast.
And we're gonna have, you have the French fry with the skin down the back at the store.
The French fry with the...
Oh, this, yes.
Yes, this, yes.
What is this?
It's not bacon, yes, it looks like bacon, no?
But
it's kosher, no.
But this is kosher.
Kosher,
Okay, we take this one.
You put the bacon on the side.
Brisket on the side?
On the side so I can eat from...
No, we're gonna take a separate. I want this because from the shaft it becomes good like this.
Okay, separate
This.
And separate that and the other. John, you're so good, Ritchel. I don't know what I would do without you.
I know. And
Come here, come, give me a hug.
Trust me, I know food.
John.
I think that's it. Yes, the food is here. Kick shine. Can I now look at this? Yeah.
Tell me, can you bring a little schmatte so I can wipe the schmutz? Yes, thank you, please.
Ja, kijk hoe het
Ja,
gaat. Schnitzel with tomato, pastrami.
Hoe zit de
Pastrami.
The black
lettuce.
No, the black leg. I mean the... Oh, dus de holy.
Cornflakes.
Dus de holy en dus de schnitzel.
Ja, het was de half in half.
Oh, snap, bro.
Hoe gaat het nou? Laat mij nog gooien en buiten. Laat mij daar nou.
Puri gaat wel no, jullie aan me gooien zaken niet hebben boeroi.
Oh, this is fine.
Can't eat.
Ja, hoe is het juice?
Hoe zit de bacon?
Ja. A little spicy, but so good. I love the spicy.
I love that.
De moegen verneemt niet zo, but...
Han ken ik zo niet, je verneemt als je van zout, maar ik ga je zout.
Ja, ken ik verneemt, dat ik bij de zo'n eenmaal mee ben. Doet ze zoals van een dokter.
How do you know if the food was good if you burp after it?
Videos.
Rivchu, we need
Which
to...
one?
Rivchu, it's over there. See, schnitzel, zoom in.
Zeg echt niet zo.
Holy schnitzel.
Brooklijn de brillen. Ah, dus. Ja, sorry, we got holy.
We brought to ask them, the holy schnitzel, how holy is it? Because sometimes holy stuff are very old, like the Sefer Torah.
Yeah.
So we have to make sure it's not as old as the Sefer Torah.
Ja, zo zeg ik.
This is going to be big promotion for the holy schnitzel. Yes.
I need a moment to laugh.
I know, I want to have this for the bloopers. Stay in character. When you say you need a moment to laugh, say I need a moment to laugh.
So you taking the video or I taking the
Both
video?
are taking, you taking different angles.
But then in the video I holding the camera also.
Okay, fine. So I take the video.
Okay, but take from my phone.
From your phone, okay.
You gotta speak loud.
Yeah, we have to speak loud because
Very loud because the
very
camera
loud.
sound is
Camera is
picking up.
very far away from us.
Okay,
So,
we're gonna take.
thank you so much.
Yes, thank you so much.
Thank you.
I really appreciate it.
You are so very special, you know. Thank you. Thank you for recognizing us. We are from the Holocaust team.
We're
Yes,
burying
we're
the
survivors.
characters.
We're from the past life also. Yes, survivors.
We're
Yes.
trying to keep the legacy alive, you know.
We
The
have to keep
Hungarians
it.
are all dying out.
Yeah, there's only like a few left, so we have to keep the legacy. So we have to come out and share it so people can remember, never forget. Never forget. Hashtag never forget.
Who should use hashtag? What hashtag?
Tell her what hashtag.
What hashtag?
She doesn't know. She's older than me a little bit.
What hashtag?
It's a number sign, no? It's the
It's
number.
the number sign that
Number
the
sign?
pound sign on the phone. The
The
pound
pound.
sign.
Oh, the pound! You press, you go
So
for
you
the
say-
press one, then pound.
So you
Yeah.
say
Yeah.
pound, never forget.
Pound,
because
never
pound,
forget.
pound, you remember.
Pound, never forget.
Pound, never forget. Gascon? At Gmail. Before the .com.
At Gimel, yes.
At gmail.com.
Put at gimel.com, yeah, sure.
So,
Maybe we make a shout out for the business.
Brendan is my friend. We know each other from back in the day, yes?
Yes, back in the day.
You remember you saved me from the Nazis. And he came with his truck from Orange State AC and he put me in the back. He said, I'll get you out of here. Because of him, I'm alive today and I can tell my story. So thank you, Brendan, from Orange State AC. If anybody wants to get a service, what do you do in the state AC?
Air conditioning.
Air conditioning.
Yes, you want air conditioner because you don't want to be hot all
The
day.
AC is for
Sure.
air conditioning. If you want any AC, air conditioning service, call Brendan, he's the man.
Okay, look at the car. He has a very nice van for the air conditioning.
The
Yeah.
whole thing so you can see. Fries. I want
Oh, thank you so
Oh,
much.
he's going to wash the table. Very good.
Yes, thank you so
Make
much.
it nice and clean.
We appreciate.
We appreciate you very much. Okay? No,
Wow, look
you
at
are
this.
appreciated.
From Romania.
Romania! You're from Russia. We used to live there in Romania.
Yeah, before the
Yeah, we speak Romanian and Hungarian.
Igor Romania.
Drink for us.
Breakfast.